Okay, this is a master lock. It's really small. There's a shortcut for these kind of locks. I'm going to show it to you. It's locked, right? What you do, see the kind of keyway. This is a 3-pin lock, right? Well, you go about picking it just like you would any other lock. Except, you take a hook pick, and instead of picking it like this, you know, like you would a normal lock, screw that, we got a better way. Here's what you do, reset the pins real quick. Okay. Now, you take the hook pick, right? Hook pick, you turn it upside down. You stick it in the keyway, upside down. Now look, what you do, you feel back there, and there's like, it's in the very back, you know, you push the pin all the way, you push your pick all the way back before you start picking, and in the very back, there's just like this thing back there, and you hook the hook onto that, and you push up like a lever. It takes a couple tries, you gotta find it. Yeah, I mean, it takes a couple tries to find it. But there it went, you see? I'll show you again. Lock it, tension wrench in, stick the pick in, upside down, like that. You find the thing, and it pops right up. You don't have to push the pins up or anything. You just stick it in, put that in the back, pops up. Stick it in, put it in the back, pops up. Now, the reason I think this works is because they're really small locks that have really short keys. It's just 3 pins, and when you push up, it's like a lever, and it pushes all the pins up at the same time. That's how it works. It's a shortcut. And that's it. Thanks.